Today we are celebrating the World Tourism Day in Ramnagar district. It is part of a 2-3 day event that we have been organizing. The Department of Tourism in organizing this bouldering and rock climbing event happening in Achalu village in Ramnagar, not very far from Bangalore. Beautiful course set up the General Thimayya National Academy for Adventure. It's a beautiful course that has been set up. Around 25 separate courses are within this particular course. So I welcome everyone to this event. And thank you for hosting such a wonderful event. A wonderful experience having tried one of these boulders myself. A good experience and caters to all sorts of audience, from the simpler ones to the more adventurous people. And nice to have such a huge turnout of close to 300 people. Happy to be here. Welcome everyone to the event. Thank you.